Thank you very much. We're very grateful for the really efficient, speedy support that we've had. It's been excellent, very comfortable, and got us through the traffic much more easily than we would have done otherwise. And very happy to be here in this guest house now. It's a very comfortable place. Thank you very much. I think the mountains here, the beautiful landscape, and the very friendly, welcoming people. I think the food is excellent. Particularly the fruit, the oranges, I've heard are very good here.
You're the first people we've spoken to here. Very, very hospitable. Really nice to be able to sit down, cup of tea. Thank you very much.